Welcome back to 2020 Tech for You. Today's something a little bit different. Today, he gets his own segment, and we're gonna call it Aidan's World, because really, it's his world. You wanna unbox this? I think he wants to unbox this. So let's get it started.
Whoa.
What is it? What is it? Oh, get it out, get it out. Hold the other side for him. Come on, pull this. Don't pull the box, pull this. Let's get it. What is that? Yeah, it's called Little Tikes, and it's called Little Tikes First Slide. Let's see if we can fix it for him. They say it weighs about 9 pounds, and it's good for 9 months up to 4 years old. And he's gonna be 2 in just a month, so give him an early present. I think he likes it like this, though. I think, are we good? You want me to finish it? You wanna build it? There's only 4 pieces. Ringo, hold that side for us. Oh, it goes like that. This side goes here. So yeah, it's got a few steps. And it looks like it just snaps in place. Let me get it higher for you.
And then you can go on it.
Let's make it higher. So yeah, it's pretty simple how to put it together. What are you doing over there? So it just slides right in between. And so this part right here with the little clip end that comes out, make sure that you put it on the right side first. You'll know it won't go in. When you find the right side, it'll just clip right in. It's just 4 pieces. So just this long piece and the handrail, you want to make sure that the longer piece is out. Slide it in, watch the baby, put it in. All right, come on, that's a big step. Get the other foot, get the other foot. Okay, you ready? Ready, set, go. Let's see. Okay, just like him, yeah. Try and come around the other way. Use your handrails. Come around. You don't really want them walking this way with the socks because they can slip. It is slippery. So definitely keep it on something soft. And if they're small like this guy, you kind of want to teach them, even if they get fussy about it, better safe than sorry. If you stay here with them, wee. Come back around. Dad'll help you. No, you get hurt like that. You want to come this way. Look, you hold that. Look, one step.
Oh, big step.
Big step.
Big step.
Woo. So just stay with them in the beginning until they get comfortable with going the right way eventually. So you just want to keep going with them. And that's it, guys. It's just a slide. It folds up. It's pretty basic, but just stay with them in the beginning, especially if this is their first slide, just to make sure they don't fall and hit their head. Even though it's not hard, they're not gonna get really hurt, but still, better safe than sorry. Make sure you got a good padded carpet.
Where you going?
Which way are you going?
Oh, he wants to get the letters off.
But yeah, Little Tikes makes it. It weighs about 9 pounds. It was $29 on Amazon right now. During November of 2020, there's a 14% discount. It's usually $35. But he's turning 2 in December. And so yeah, once you get it together, keep teaching him. Eventually he'll get it. If not, an older brother or sister or somebody, a sibling to help, until they get used to using the stairs. This is their first slide. He seems to love it, so he's gonna be using it quite a bit. But for 30 bucks on Amazon, you really can't beat it. It's cheap enough. It was here in a matter of just, I'd say, 5 days when we ordered it. Assembly was easy. It was just 4 pieces. They just clipped in. No screws, no tools required. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. And if you guys like to see Aidan do some more unboxings, Let me know down in the comments. See you guys next time. Say bye, Aidan. Aidan.